Productivist. It's the first peer-to-peer network connecting private and professional manufacturers to their clients by mapping global manufacturing capacities. Our objective is to tackle the bottleneck between clients and manufacturers by decentralizing the global ecosystem and giving them direct access to each other. The team behind Productivist is the same team which founded freelapser.com, one of the biggest 3D printing platforms on the web. The Productivist ecosystem will become the standard of the new smart manufacturing era. It will provide a transparent solution to track records, store client feedback, and index in real time all the manufacturer's information. Productivist blockchain is backed by the Hyperledger technology, meeting needs of the manufacturing industry, and will ensure a seamless experience for everyone using the Productivist protocol. Our smart device will connect manufacturing tools to the Productivist environment. This device will inform the ecosystem through real-time monitoring, usage optimization, and scaling. The device will offer highly innovative applications such as the intellectual property protection. Many other features are being developed in order to open up the smart manufacturing to the masses. We are only one step away from the Industry 4.0. Since Productivist protocol is open and flexible, we invite all the marketplaces and internal services to join the community and empower the Productivist revolution. Productivist will provide blockchain access, APIs, and SDKs to anyone who wants to open a decentralized production service, connecting them directly to thousands of smart manufacturers of any kind. Productivist's official currency is the PROD, an ERC20 token. It will ensure the best compatibility with exchanges and token liquidity. Right after the ICO, you will be able to use your PROD to purchase 3D printing on the freelapser.com. When a customer wants to purchase a manufacturing service, he pays with any traditional currency, and it will be changed instantly into PROD. At the end of the order, the manufacturers will be incentivized to keep and use their PROD. They will also be able to change their tokens into fiat. The ecosystem activity will lead to a pretty high trading daily volume. As an order may take up to 4 weeks to be produced, the stability of the rates during the completion of the order must be ensured. A temporary stable coin between the two parties will be set. The compensation fund will be created from the Productivist Reserve and will be held by a foundation. The compensation management is in place to ensure that the service providers get paid the right amount. However, it will not stop the coin to rise in value. Anytime a partner joins the ecosystem, they will be asked to purchase a significant amount of tokens. The coin will also rise accordingly to the business performance of the entire ecosystem. We are proud to announce the Productivist ICO. Join us now and be part of the smart manufacturing revolution.